I'm on my own, and I'm enjoying my own company because I don't have to argue about what linking program I got to watch on TV. I can have my own choices, and you get hoha what looking at 4 walls and TV. I go out and have a drive around, just get away from home. And I don't suffer for nobody, no company, because I get a pretty regular whānau coming around. My mokopunas, they all keep coming over. So I mean, those are the plus times for me. So I'm getting on to 77, and I'm feeling blessed because I'm still enjoying life. And particularly here with Aotearoa. COVID-19 has got us on the back foot. Felt a bit lost because wasn't able to come back and reconnect with all my friends, the kuia korauas and staff. But I thought, well, it had to be done. It had to have a closure. I had some health problems, issues. I had a defibrillator put in for my heart, and stents, and then they gave me a knee replacement. But I really can't do the normal exercise like going out and walking, because I've tried that and it nearly crippled me. They were keeping in contact with, I presume, with everyone. And the next thing, they got these food packages coming in. Not expecting anything like that. And I sat down and thought about it, and I thought, hey, that's the sort of thing that our organisation will do. Manaakitanga and aroha mo te tangata and look after them. Being able to communicate with the elders and letting them know that, you know, everything's okay, and asking how things are. I think we should be grateful that our organisation is fully committed to our health and well-being, and being able to deliver it in such a caring and loving way. There's nothing I can say any more than that, except to say to them, oh, kia ora.